Hello everybody. Today we are going to be talking about the Kylie Cosmetics Velvet Lip Kit in the shade, other way, a red velvet. So if you're interested in seeing some swatches and getting some general information and maybe a little bit of my thoughts about this, just keep watching. As always, before we jump into our videos, we disclose there's nothing to disclose for this. I got this on my own. Kylie Cosmetics has no idea who I am. I will mention that links down below and on the blog post will more than likely be affiliate links. These do not cost you anything. It just helps out the blog. As for any comments you want to leave, you will need to leave those at the blog post link down below as well. It actually helps out. One, I don't have to keep up with 2 sets of comments while working a full-time job and going back to school. But on top of that, you are going over to the blog post because I'm a smaller channel, cannot monetize YouTube. My blog does have ads on them. And so you're just clicking on the blog post actually does help me get a little bit of extra money for purchasing extra makeup products to review. So let's talk about this. So Kylie has different lip kits. So you need to be careful if you're ever going to Kylie's website or if you're going to Ulta. She has the mattes and she also has the velvet lip kits. Now the difference is that of course the mattes are matte and they're supposed to be long wearing. I honestly can't speak to that. I have not tried any of the matte ones. I've only tried this one so far. However, with the velvet mattes, they kind of have a matte look to them, but they don't dry down completely matte. So these are not, your velvet ones are not going to be transfer proof, kiss proof, or anything like that. They do wear long, but they don't wear as long as some of the matte liquid lipsticks that I have. As you can see, you can get an idea of what the shade and color is by the sides of the box and what's on the lips. I will say it's especially hard to do this with COVID and if you're ordering on the website, but if you have the ability to kind of test it, I would do that because some of the boxes, they look similar, kind of like how these nails look similar. But when you actually swatch them, then they actually are different. So I had that problem with, I want to say it may have been like Mary Jo. I don't remember exact name, but there's a red one in the matte kit as well. And they both look super similar, but there actually are some differences. So I actually picked this up in South Carolina before I went on my internship last year. However, I have used this numerous times. And like I've said in yesterday's video, I'm all about posting about some older products as well. Let's actually look at what comes in this little kit. So inside of this little kit, you get a lip liner, which looks like this. It has the color at the bottom. You can't really see it. Let me see if I can zoom in. But it has the Kylie signature on it, and it says Kylie Jenner Red Velvet. And you have the tip. You have the liquid lipstick, which is her just... You know, all her liquid lipsticks have similar packaging. And you have the doe foot. The liquid lipstick does have a scent to it. So if you're susceptible to fragrances, you don't like fragrances, you're not going to want to use this. However, as of right now, I cannot find this particular lip liner for sale as a single, which is really, really crappy because I will say that this bleeds. Like, it travels. It is not a stay matte, which you can expect because it's not a matte liquid lipstick. It's a velvet. This, however, does not move. I love this lip liner. In my opinion, if I could buy this lip liner as a single to partner with my Beauty Bakery lip whip, here are the swatches. The top is obviously the lip liner, and the bottom is the liquid lipstick. Those are my thoughts for today. Hopefully you found this video fun and informative. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure to share it with all your friends. It really does help. Like I said, if you want to leave a comment on if you've tried these, what your thoughts are on them, whatever, make sure to visit the blog post linked in the description box. And make sure to subscribe before you go. And until next time, bye!